No, no handbrakes. Handbrake off. All good. All right. Good morning, comrades. Previously, you saw that we found out that the car has an intercooler issue, namely it's leaking.
Intercooler issue.
Well, how else would you describe it? Boost leak.
Well, I won't describe it because you have monetization in your YouTube. So.
Ah, okay. That's a nice way to put it.
All the British viewers know the technical term for what this intercooler is.
Say it.
I can't.
Say.
I can't.
Come on.
Because you.
I can decide if I bleep it out.
It's fucked.
Ah, okay. Good, but no, we actually found out that when I bought the car and we had it on the lift, we saw that there was like some sweat coming up, some oil, and we didn't think much about it because when you were driving it, it was kind of okay. You just assume that it is the way it is because the car with the stock 100 horsepower is okay. Once we remapped it and the boost pressure increased, then you started hearing some sissing, but it still made 141 horsepower on the dyno, I think. So it was like kind of meh, okay. Then with data logging, when we logged the engine, it said that the intake temperatures were just like massively high through the roof because the intercooler was completely blocked, point 1, and point 2, it was leaking. So actually, well, we're gonna find out how much horsepower we were actually missing. So today, some science class.
Ooh.
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 What do we do?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, so the main thing we need to check first is to see if the map sensor is the same, but the problem is we can't get it out without taking the intercooler out.
Uh-huh.
So it's two different sizes.
I mean, I bought the intercooler based on the VIN number, so let's hope
Let's hope no one's put the wrong one in and changed the sensor.
Ooh, that could be our big issue. It's here, straight from Zagreb, from Tokic, the Zagreb Atomic. Well, I would say the Profi parts in Germany, and Tokic in Croatia. Unbox therapy. Ooh, international radiators. You think it's the company is owned by Pitbull? Oh no, it's Mr. Worldwide. It's not international.
Ooh.
Ooh, wow, so.
Oh, so small.
Cute. So small.
Oh, look at that tiny shower caps.
Nice.
No, it's not going to fit, my head's too big. London special.
So I have a big radiator cooling pack from the Audi S3, which is going to be put on the car once we're going to do all the engine mods. But for now, oh, it's like it's barely installed and it already comes damaged out of the box.
Ah, it's normal for this.
Brake pads still good. Wouldn't expect otherwise. Ooh, we have brake cooling.
Bro.
If only.
Oh. Oh, I broke it.
Oh no. Minus 10 seconds per lap aerodynamics.
Hello?
Oh, hey, we got food.
Sandwich, yeah.
Yeah, but not for us, huh? Yeah.
I have it simpler now, though.
Ooh, there we go.
Here's the sad little intercooler. It used to be a lot worse, but we cleaned it at least. Ooh,
Let's do mine.
some holes.
I would be more worried that
That shouldn't be like that.
It's normal. Just screw it this to this.
Yeah, through this pipe?
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
no, here. Straight in. Oh, look. This guy was smoking.
Oh, what? What?
I think it's still the vibration. They were like, yeah, just put the cigarette there.
Some crap.
So usually this cuts through the bottom of the intercooler. Like it has here.
Yeah, that's the leak then, huh?
Yeah, possibly. I mean, it looks like it's leaking from the top as well somewhere.
Yeah, here there are even two leaks. I mean, so here one and here two.
This cover rubs through, so to this, what we'll do is we'll cut the bottom of the cover away so it doesn't sit against this.
Okay. Yeah, it was fully covered in crap, like completely black.
You can see where it's been cleaned with a jet wash.
Yeah, we did it. We did it last week. So in comparison to the new one, yes.
You got me dirty, Misha. Look, I'm not happy.
Oh no. Payback time.
And then this is
You cut through the intercooler, we cut through you. I mean, in a way, it's the same as a food shot. You fillet something, and then you put it on a grill or behind the grill. So just assemble all back on and put it on the dyno.
Cool.
Well, I'm gonna cut this video here straight to the dyno. So George, thank you very much for this work.
No dramas.
And your Glanza is for sale, right?
It will be soon, yeah.
Yeah, so if you wanted the Glanza Starlet from George, shoot him a message. His Instagram is here, or just come by Apex and see you on the track. Fabi just joined to witness the real horsepower.
I have to experience this, yeah.
Yeah. Now that's an intercooler. Should we chop shop your rolls?
This is nice.
Impressive. Oh, some canards. Wow.
This color, man, is really cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Ooh, carporn fiber. Very cool. Wonderful. Alright, let's see. Previously it had 141 horsepower and 338. It's even less now. Funny. Whew, those are wheel horsepowers. Okay, so to refresh the memory, the blue one is the stock map. Then the green one is the one with that we measured previously with the remap, and the red one is for of today with modification, well, with the better intercooler. Now it has less torque, it has similar horsepower, not much difference actually, but of course it would have been a lot better if we had like plus 10 horsepower all of a sudden. Oh well, we can always do a remap, but I think for now it's fine. Let's just like wait till we're gonna build the engine and gonna have double that we have now, maybe even more than double. And these are the horsepower at the wheels, 132 and 324 torque. Alright, back at Apex, gonna do quickly my tire pressures and gonna go out for a lap, something that you will see in the upcoming video. See you then. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, that you learned something every day, that the boost leak is not always that influential on your performance. Influential, yeah, all the influencers in the wild. Anyhow, thanks for watching. See you upcoming video on the track. Woohoo!